A serene sky unfolds, painted with strokes of azure, and adorned with clouds of purest white. The wind whispers through the tall grass, an invisible hand orchestrating a ballet of swaying stalks. Overhead, birds sing their joyful melodies, their flight a celebration of freedom and peace. A voice echoes through the tranquil landscape. In a peaceful sky, the gentle wind danced happily, touching trees, flowers, and faces with kindness. It always spoke the truth, no matter what. A gray cloud swells with pride, casting a shadow over the open field. I am powerful. Everyone fears my storm. I bring rain, thunder, and lightning. A big gray cloud arrived, but he wasn't even full of water. The wind circles cautiously. Do you really carry rain today? Of course, I'll flood the fields. But inside, the cloud knew it was dry and empty. The sun emerges, its golden rays painting the open field with warmth as shadows retreat. The sky clears, a gentle reminder that truth endures. While the wind whispers, "You lied, and now you fade with shame." The sky was clear again. The wind whispered, "Truth may be quiet, but it stays. Lies may roar, but they fade." Moral: lies are like passing clouds, but truth is the wind that stays and brings peace.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.